Hello everyone. Let's get started with today's motivational quote given by Sir APJ Abdul Kalam. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. Today we are going to study about compound and types of compound. Compound is formed by chemical combination of two or more elements. Here an activity is shown. A evaporating dish is kept on tripod stand. Some camphor pieces are taken into the evaporating dish. The camphor pieces are heated strongly with the help of burner. And what is left behind in the evaporating dish is noted down. Same procedure has to be repeated by using different substances like limestone, washing soda, blue vitriol, means copper sulfate, sugar, glucose and urea. And observations are noted down. Experimental setup is shown here. Evaporating dish is taken, into that camphor pieces are kept. It is put up on a tripod stand on which a wire gauze is kept and the substance is heated with the help of burner. Children, watch this video in order to get the concept of organic and inorganic compound. Hello everyone, I am here to show you few activities related to lesson number 6, that is composition of matter. I have taken 3 porcelain dishes. In one I have taken copper sulfate, which is also called as blue vitriol. In second porcelain dish I have taken sugar, and in third porcelain dish I have taken washing soda, sodium carbonate. I am heating this compound sugar on the flame of the burner. Let us see what will happen after strong heating. A tripod stand is taken on which a wire gauze is kept, and on that a porcelain dish which contains sugar compound is taken. The compounds which when heated strongly in air, after complete combustion or sometimes due to incomplete combustion, they give a black colored residue, carbon residue, and such compounds are called as carbon compounds. It will take time. Sugar has started melting down. You can see now black colored residue is left. So compounds which when heated strongly gives black colored residue are called as carbon compounds. Now let us heat copper sulfate blue vitriol and see the result. Black colored residue is seen when sugar is heated strongly. Carbohydrate, proteins, sugar, they are all carbon compounds. Now we are heating copper sulfate in this porcelain dish. Let us see what will happen. Copper sulfate is blue in color. When it is heated strongly, colorless residue is left. And when we heat strongly this washing soda, sodium carbonate, colorless residue will be left. It can be clearly seen when sugar has completely burnt, a black residue is left in the porcelain dish, and therefore sugar is organic compound or carbon compound. Copper sulfate, the color of copper sulfate has started fading away, and initial blue color is slowly disappearing. When copper sulfate is heated strongly, it leaves behind a residue which is whitish in nature. So you can clearly observe now this is copper sulfate, which is blue colored compound, has now turned into whitish residue. So such compounds which when heated strongly gives a residue other than black color are called as inorganic compounds. So children, I think you are very clear with the concept of organic and inorganic compounds. Camphor, when it is heated strongly in the evaporating dish, no residue is left. Limestone on strong heating gives white colorless residue. Same is the case with washing soda and blue vitriol. On heating strongly, some compounds give residue while others do not give any residue or give a blackish residue. The blackish residue is mainly made of carbon. Moreover, when such compounds are strongly heated in air, combine with oxygen to form some gaseous substances. In case their combustion is not complete, black colored carbon remain behind as residue. These compounds are called organic compounds or carbon compounds. For example, materials like carbohydrates, proteins, hydrocarbons, for example, petrol, cooking gas are made of organic compounds. The camphor, sugar, glucose and urea used in the above activity are organic compounds. On the other hand, the compounds that decompose on strong heating to leave a residue behind are inorganic compounds. Common salt, soda, rust, blue vitriol, limestone are inorganic compounds. In addition, there is one more type of compound, namely complex compounds. The molecules of compounds have a complex structure formed by many atoms, and in the center of the structure, metal atoms are also included. Chlorophyll that contains magnesium, hemoglobin that contains iron, cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12 that contains cobalt are some examples of complex compounds. So complex compounds are formed by many atoms, and in the center of this structure metal atoms are included. Chlorophyll contains magnesium as central atom, hemoglobin contains iron as a central atom, cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12 contains cobalt as a central atom. So we have studied three different types of compounds: organic compounds, inorganic compounds, and complex compounds. We will study about mixtures and types of mixtures in next video.